Now, let me show you how you can add the sticky notes to your Mac desktop. And a lot of people might refer to them or look for them in the widgets panel because you might go to the edit mode for your widget, so you can edit them like this. But the sticky notes are simply not in here because this works like a dedicated and a standalone app. So instead of going to the widgets, what we have to do is go to the apps mode. So you can see you can go to the apps like this and browse all of the installed ones. And as you keep on scrolling through them, in the other category, you can see we can find the stickies, or obviously you can look it up like this as well. And once you click on the stickies, you open it up like this, and not much actually happens. The reason is that we need to actually add one. So in the top left corner, you can see that we have the stickies currently open, so I can expand it like this. But when I click on File, I can click on a new note, right? When I click on a new note, this shows up in the corner like that, and I can of course use it like however I want. I can resize it. I can quickly add a note in there, or of course I can bump up the size, or I don't know, make it thick or whatever I like, and that's how I can quickly add the note in there. I have a couple of different things in here. So I have the little button there which would close it, but I have also the expand mode, so you can go to this mode like this, or you can also click on the other option to minimize it like that. So I guess that's very useful as well. But you can also have it selected like this and click on the color in the top left and switch it to green, for example, right? Or I don't know, play around with the font and so on. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find the sticky notes and use it properly. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.